Hello friends, Neo Toy Story here with another one of my weird and inexplicable projects. Actually, this one has a pretty good explanation. So I use colored pencils a lot in my carpentry, and this is a collection of pencil sharpeners that I've accumulated over the years. They're all pretty standard. I think they call them like narrow point or sharp point or something. Except for this one. This one's kind of special. I got this one a long time ago and it's really weird. It's got 3 different holes for different types of pencil tips. However, it doesn't really work like you would think it would. But it's a cool design, kind of novel. The rest of these are all pretty standard. Anyway, I had a problem, and that was that I would use my pencil sharpener and get one of these standard tips, and then it would break over and over again. Sometimes the lead would be broken inside the pencil, and I mean, I don't have any proof of this, but my opinion was that it was mainly the cause of the stress of the sharpening. So I decided to design my own pencil sharpener, and I wanted this one to be kind of to my exact specifications. So I designed it with triple blades, 3 times sharper, right? No, 3 times faster? No, not really. So yeah, it's a 30-degree pencil sharpener. So with this, I don't have to worry about breaking my pencil tips as often. However, they do wear down pretty fast. Not that that's a big deal. And this was the sort of final version that I came up with. Although this was really interesting. This is something totally new and unexpected that I learned about 3D printing. So this is a standard 0.2 millimeter layer height. You can see the hole where the screw goes. There's another really fascinating thing that I'm going to talk about here in a second. You can see the shape of it is kind of like a squashed oval. The screw goes just fine into there, but then this one is a 0.1 layer height, and I did that just to get more definition and just to make it look a little bit nicer. But the precision actually backfired. The screw hole now is too perfectly round, so the screws slide out. I thought that was really kind of funny and interesting. There's always something new to learn. This was another one of the prototypes, and then this one also. But I finally got it to work more or less the way I wanted it to. Yeah, what was the other thing? Alright, this last final thing that I just wanted to talk about, which I find so fascinating. There's so many industries where there's some kind of common component, and like every single company does it differently for some really weird and very ironic reason, perhaps because pencils are so primitive and kind of timeless. These are all made by different manufacturers, and yet all of the blades are exactly to the same specification. Even the screws are to the same specification, which I just found absolutely fascinating. So yeah, anyway, I don't know where I'm going with this video, but I'm going to put this up on printables at some point. Thanks for watching.